I'm Tricia from the Young Parents Project.
Can everybody hear, Tricia, or would they like the PA
Maybe
system?
speak up a little bit?
Can everybody hear?
I can speak up a little bit.
No.
So the Young Parents Project works in partnership with the Mainstream Health Visiting Service, supporting young parents, their infants, their children and their families in the Borough of Enfield. The Young Parents Project, thank you very much. The Young Parents Project is part of Enfield Primary Care Trust and it's currently funded by the Children's Centres. As you were saying, rates of infant mortality for babies born to mothers under the age of 20 are around 60% higher than rates for children born to mothers aged 20 to 39 years. And we work with young teenage parents in Enfield from the age of 12 to 20 throughout the borough, but particularly in the Enfield, Ponters End, Freezing Water area where there's very, very high levels of deprivation. And the young parents have such complex issues and so many problems to face that often it's quite difficult for them to focus and to think about their babies. So we help them with their practical issues first and then try and support them around caring for their infant. Recent government papers and research from the Foundation for the Study of Infant Deaths highlights the importance of preventive work supporting young parents. And we work trying to help young parents prepare for the care of their infants and for the transition to parenthood. One key piece of our work is advising young parents on safe sleeping practices for their children, supporting the SIDS campaign. So that includes lots of advice about placing their babies on their backs, having a smoke-free environment, and also, very importantly, about temperature control. So we're delighted that the Rotary Club is supporting us in our work in reducing sudden infant death and has funded the SIDS room thermometers that we can now distribute to all the young parents. And the thermometers, they're very visual, so it's quite a tangible tool for us to use in teaching young parents. And not only do they show appropriate temperature control, they also have lots of advice on the back as well about safe sleeping. And so we're really delighted that we can now give these to all the young parents we meet in Enfield. And as you know, Enfield has one of the highest rates in London. So this is going to be a wonderful tool. So thank you all very, very much.